Here's how I do my Gel X nails at home. First, start by prepping your nails. I use cuticle remover to get rid of excess dead skin, push back my cuticles, and buff out my nail beds. Use an alcohol wipe to get rid of any dust or oils. Next, size your nails. You want it to fit sidewall to sidewall. If you're in between sizes, pick the bigger one and you can file it down. Now taking the Beetles nail glue, I'm applying a thin layer to all my nails and curing for about 30 seconds. Now with the same nail glue, I'm applying some to the inside of the nail tips and adding a small bead of gel at the bottom. When applying the nail, you want to go at a 45-degree angle and cure under a spot curing lamp. Make sure there's no air bubbles and you're covering the entire nail with the gel glue and flash cure each nail for 15 seconds. Then do a final cure for about a minute to make sure the gel is fully cured. Next, I'm just cutting them down, shaping them, and buffing the nail out to remove the shine. I'm going in with another alcohol pad to wipe off any dust, and now you're ready to paint. I'm gonna apply 2 coats of the gel polish and cure for 30 seconds in between each coat. Now just finishing off using a top coat and curing for a final 60 seconds. And now you're all set. I hope this helps you guys, and make sure to follow for more.